and BlackRock's XRP ETF will soon be available. We will think about that. Everything is now coming together, and this could be the biggest development in XRP's history. Enjoy it, please. Become a member of the channel. Now, let's get going. The value of $82,759 in Bitcoin has dropped by 0.6% over the past day. XRP continues to maintain steady, closing at $2.24, up 3.29% over the previous day. Additionally, as USDT and USDC get closer to their dollar pegs, Ethereum is down too, 95% at $1,887. They were looking at a highly bullish indication when the CPI data, which was announced this morning at 8 a.m., came in lower than anticipated. We entered the market around 2.8%, which is bullish, but they were requesting 2.93%. I hope the recession negotiations come to a conclusion and the tariffs will be removed, enabling cryptocurrency to once more enter the market. It's the only product I've found with t-shirts like this for $24.99. Our prices are almost twice as much as those of everyone else who charge $40 to $50. I ordered this because I enjoy how money has evolved. The XRP is the most widely used. This is the crypto shop if you haven't been to our most recent website. Be sure to give it a look. We have everything related to cryptocurrency in one location. You can get free shipping anywhere in the world if you spend around $35. We spoke with you this morning regarding the cryptocurrency whale who pulled out that insane amount of leverage on Ethereum. Guess what? My man ended up losing $308 million all at once. I would really like to have that money, because you are aware that this was nothing more than peanuts to him. For this person, this was probably worth $1,000. Just looking at these loans like that is completely crazy, and I wish I had that money. This guy lost $308 million. Yeah, I'm furious if I lose even $50. This can't be a human, can it? It must be an establishment. That's absurd. Completely crazy. Then, since we don't know how good Trump videos are, we won't play this. He's essentially telling you that the actual money hasn't yet begun to flow at our stock portfolio, even if we receive copyright strikes against them. He must be talking about his cryptocurrency holdings because it has been declining a lot and is about to soar. It's going to take off. The man is aware of what will happen there. Man is skilled at what he does. It's Eastern Standard Time, and this is another Bitcoin maxi. Walker America asks, "Hey Patrick, how much did Ripple pay you to promote their shitcoin?" Rather than merely urging folks to learn more about Bitcoin. Surprisingly, centralized crypto scams might still target you even if Michael Saylor appears on your show multiple times. Unfortunately, the maxes are really offended anytime anyone brings about XRP or Ripple. Check out this 53-second video. You should be aware of this, even if you have no interest in becoming an expert in it. For instance, suppose XRP suddenly decides to take the role of SWIFT. Let's say XRP takes the place of Fed and SWIFT. Now you know what happens. I'll give you some numbers. In case you were unaware, SWIFT handles $5 trillion every day, which is equivalent to 25 quadrillion and quadrillion annually. On the other hand, XRP is a ledger that is quicker and less costly than SWIFT, processing transactions in 3 to 5 seconds for virtually nothing. In addition, if XRP captures 5–10% of the market, let's assume 10%, that's $125 trillion annually. Any of these additional technologies could be the source of demand for XRP. Analysts estimate that the current value of XRP is $100 per token. However, a market valuation of $10 trillion might raise it to $1,000 with complete replacement. As I mentioned earlier, $100, $500, or $1,000 tokens are acceptable to me. If I get $6 XRP without taxes, I'll be overjoyed. I will be extra happier if we hit $20. The options are unlimited. Let's be truthful. Let's talk about it. Who knows what this creature will do in the future? We never thought that Bitcoin would reach its current value of $1,000. I am aware that it needs time to develop. But if you are talking about these kind of returns, why not leave a bag on the sidelines and watch what happens? We get some really significant news. See him go. See him go. Yesterday, Franklin Templeton, the former head of $1.50 trillion, said that they were getting into the cryptocurrency market, namely the XRP market. They have already applied for an XRP game, Bitcoin ETF, Solana ETF, and a Bitcoin ETF. Compared to BlackRock, Franklin Templeton owns 1.5 million. $10 million was the whole value of BlackRock's assets. Franklin Templeton is pursuing BlackRock. BlackRock has no plans to relinquish its status as the world's largest asset manager. As a result, this is important since they will put pressure on the bigger players in the industry, like BlackRock, to join the cryptocurrency and exchange-traded fund ETF markets. I guarantee that a BlackRock XRP ETF will soon be available from 9 separate businesses with registered ETFs. Although there are 9 companies involved, there are over 17 different exchange-traded products to choose from. Whether you choose to call them exchange-traded funds, futures, or anything else. There are 17 of them, a substantial number, and the deadline has already passed. This was previously covered by Eleanor Tarrant in a significant news article. It got the information from trustworthy sources, she said. Tell me that the case between the SAC government and Ripple is almost ended and could be resolved soon. I know a lot of people are talking about the upcoming SAC Sunshine Act meeting. Thursdays are the day they always happen. Is it going to happen that fast? Even though I hope so, I would rather wait for the market to stabilize for XRP to hit $3 again before finding out that the matter has been settled. Instead of the present catastrophic collapse, I would prefer to see XRP's price periodically rise into that price discovery mode of Aura 2, Aura 5. She said the delay in reaching an agreement is due to Ripple's legal staff, as it negotiates better conditions over the Argus District Court verdict, which fined the company $125 million and contained a permanent injunction that forbids it from selling XRP to institutional investors. Ripple is clearly aware that the court is now on its side. They are therefore making an effort to secure the best terms. My understanding is that the new leadership of the SAC is removing all previously targeted crypto enterprises from state enforcement because it believes that regulatory uncertainty would address the underlying issue. Why does Ripple continue to face penalties? If the Taurus findings were to be accepted in their current form, Ripple would be essentially admitting to misbehavior, but the SAC currently seems unsure whether any wrongdoing actually occurred. In fact, a lawyer talked about how there isn't a real rulebook for this kind of thing. It could be the cause of the lengthier resolution time for this instance compared to the others. He asserts that this delay was probably caused by Ripple, and Metal Man seems to have been correct. To get the SAC to reverse some of Judge Tora's rulings, talks are under progress. In essence, Ripple still wishes to sell to institutional investors because, based on their statements, they are probably attempting to reduce this $125 million fine. They're saying that if no one